All right, Lou, I wanted to talk to you about Bonnie's.
Okay.
I filed all the paperwork with the city. All the surveys are done, and they're saying it could be like 60 days. I mean, it could take us 6 months just to get a response. And then we'd have to still put in that sewer line.
How are we gonna start our next project if it's tied up for that long?
It's been 2 weeks since we showed Bonnie the renovation on her home.
I love how bright it is.
Yeah. While we're still finishing up some work on the bedrooms, for the most part, we're really at a standstill. We're sitting on a $150,000 remodel, plus $85,000 that needs to go in. The difficult part about selling it as is, not knowing when the sewer's gonna be done, is that is a huge system of the house that we are asking the buyer to not verify. So I can't have it inspected, can't have it appraised.
Yeah.
Really bringing buyers through with don't turn on water, sewer doesn't work.
Yeah.
I mean, isn't exactly a selling point. If we don't have a sewer system, it means we can't pass inspection and we're not gonna get a conventional loan on this thing.
Well, in fact, really no loan. It's cash only.
Cash buyer means smaller buyer pool and typically lower price.
Have you talked to any lender? Best case, we find some financing loop.
Okay, other thought. Since we have time right now, we're not going to list it tomorrow.
Yeah.
What do you think with that 4th bedroom downstairs? What if you turn that into like a kid's bedroom, kid's playroom? You and I both keep saying family, family, family.
What if I do a cute nursery?
Oh, I love that. Because I
can-
love when you do nurseries.
And then you can help me wallpaper.
I was just gonna say that.
While we're in a holding pattern at Bonnie's house, our renovation team is currently not as busy as we want them to be. I have an idea to fix that.
Ooh, you ready?
Just imagine you walk in to this ballroom as a bride, as an entertainer, as
This is ridiculous.
a fellow community entrepreneur, and you want to host an event here.
We do that all the time.
So the Feather Ballroom is kind of that surprise.
You bought an event center.
We didn't mean to.
No. This is an 1891 building, and our store is located on the bottom floor. We didn't realize when we signed the mortgage deed that the event space became ours. It's just gorgeous. I mean,
It's
so
one of-
much history.
Yeah, one of the best preserved buildings on First Street. So we're
Yes.
very lucky to own it. I would like to show you what I think we could do with a little bit of money and some hard work, what we could turn this place into.
Okay, so
I still have 8 minutes left.
okay.
It's a little dated. If we were to spruce it up, add a little bit more of that modern flair, we could attract a whole lot more interested parties. We're getting rid of these bistro lights.
I could get behind that.
Okay?
Yes.
I love the high ceilings. I feel like we could play more off of that.
Absolutely.
New lighting.
Yep.
We update our rope lighting from being the purples. We want to create those photo moments. As you walk up, say you're a bride, this could be a moment here.
Okay.
Over here, you're entertaining at the bar. I can see it. A great backsplash, new countertop. Look at you. Click, click. Right now, it's just a bar. Continue walking. You come into the bathrooms, these floors, like just the vinyl, and then this whole moment here. New vanities, lighting, mirrors. When guests come in, I want this to feel really special.
Hi, Rosa, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay, I have a little bit of a predicament, and I wanted to ask you some questions. Rosa owns a local mortgage brokerage, and we've been working with her for 15 years, since we've been in the business. The thing that I love about Rosa is she's creative. We went through the surveying of the lot, applied for the permits, and we're almost at $85,000.
What?
Because
Never heard of that.
you and me both
You can sell it as is conventional loan. We do not need to verify that the septic's okay.
Back up. How do we get through appraisal?
Appraiser doesn't verify the septic's working.
Well, no, but we don't even have running water. I mean, I currently do not have water on because I don't want people using the toilet.
You would have to disclose to the buyer.
Of course.
You could do a rehab loan, but this is where the buyer would say, okay, I'll get a rehab loan, finance the home and the cost of doing the septic all into one loan. You can pretty much still close that within 30 days. We just have to be careful about, logistics of it, but it is possible.
Okay, I super appreciate it, and you make me have like just a tiny bit of hope right now.
Good.
Oh my gosh. Yes. It's the first piece of good news we've heard. We're gonna list Bonnie's house this weekend. But first, we've got a ballroom to start working on.
Really, we're creating a destination. Imagine these tables all painted black.
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep all those.
So black with the natural wood.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's gonna be really beautiful.
My plan is to remove the heavy drapery, which will draw attention to the beautiful wood trim. We'll say goodbye to the purple rope lighting, paint the yellow walls a crisp white, change out the chandeliers, and then repaint the existing tables and bring in additional furnishings to fill out the space. So we're definitely redoing the men's and women's bathroom.
Okay.
These rooms haven't been updated in decades and need new paint and tile floors, plus new vanities, mirrors, and lighting to match the charm of the building, instead of looking like it just stepped out of 1990. In here, this top's getting changed out to white. I would love to hang floating shelves and put cool old bottles, liquor in it.
Almost like a speakeasy looking.
So it looks
Okay.
kind of speakeasy on that wall.
Yeah.
I can see it now. As long as we don't go and buy some orange couch or something that's velvet, I think.
Orange couch might be interesting.
Ooh, as long as we don't do that, I think we're all on the same page. This project should take about 4 weeks and cost $60,000. But we can make that money back if the renovations help us book 7 more events this year than we did last year.
Oh, wow.
Yay, progress! We've got our crew, and even some of our kids, working on those floors, pulling out hundreds, even thousands of staples.
And out in the ballroom, we're taking down all of the lighting, including the chandeliers that don't fit the new style. And I can't wait to paint over those dingy-looking yellow walls. Do not touch my macaroons. I put them out just for
Ooh, they smell good.
cute display.
Hi guys, welcome in. I'm Leslie.
I'm Andre.
Andre. Today, we're back at Bonnie's house for a day that's been in the making for 2 months now.
Open house day.
Yes.
I'm feeling confident.
We are 4 bedrooms here, 2 full baths.
So this house is listed at $900,000.
We just redid the property as far as new lighting, plumbing, new roof.
I have a pretty huge family. I have like 6 kids.
Oh, wow.
And they're all grown, and then I'm a new grandfather. A place to be a surprise for everybody just to get together.
You want to see where we have a kid's room? Okay, let's go look down here. And this first one we did as a nursery.
I love it. Oh, so cute.
House looks gorgeous.
Yes.
My only real concern is the sewer.
Yeah, same here. The home was on septic. As we were, going to pump and inspect it, we found that the septic system had failed. So we're gonna attach sewer.
Gotcha.
So that could be anywhere from 30 to really probably 90 days. So there's not really a timeline on it at the moment.
Huh.
The house does still qualify for your conventional loan, so we could do a rehab loan to take care of that sewer line if we chose to move forward.
Good to know. It's good to know. Thank you guys very much for that.
Absolutely.
I think best case scenario for Bonnie, get an offer and negotiate 50-50 on the sewer line.
That is, honestly, would be incredible. The bathroom floors in the ballroom still aren't ready to tile. But But now that's on hold because the painters were already scheduled to start today, and there's a lot to paint.
I went with a clean white to cover up the tired old yellow paint in the bathrooms, the bar, the walls, and the ceiling in the ballroom itself.
Meanwhile, the new white quartz countertops are replacing those old dated countertops in the bar area. Painting the copper ceiling is expensive. There's more than 3,000 square feet of it. It's 20 feet off the ground, and they're using a special paint so that if it drips, it won't hurt the ballroom floor.
I'm so confident that this is gonna increase business, raise fees, expenses go down.
Okay,
And
good job.
our profit margin goes up,
I have nothing to say after that. I mean, she used all the words.
right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, that was a good idea.
I love it.
That ceiling transformed this entire room.
It's that statement we needed.
I can't wait to see it with the chandeliers now. What's up? I just got off the phone with a buyer for Bonnie's.
Like somebody who actually wants to move forward?
Lyndsay, with a rehab loan.
Awesome.
Okay, he's gonna buy it. He's gonna have the rehab money to do the sewer line himself 3 months from now, 6 months from now, whatever it's gonna be. I mean, we're obviously gonna have to lower the purchase price to accommodate that. Bonnie knows that.
I imagine that was gonna have to happen.
We had to negotiate with the buyer because of our sewer challenges here. We ended up selling for $780,000. That's $80,000 more than it was when we started this project. It's not what we wanted, but at least we were able to help Bonnie.
Because if she was on her own doing this, she just listed it by herself, I guarantee you this sewer issue would have come up at some point,
Yeah.
probably during inspection, and it would not have passed. With the sewer problem, she would have been lucky to have sold it for $500,000, if not less.
Yeah. We definitely lost money on this one. I mean, it's all
The
relevant.
fact that we have a buyer.
I know.
The best part is Bonnie gets to keep the house across the street from her daughter and her grandbaby.
I know. Okay, can you turn it on?
Today's staging day in the ballroom, which means chaos, like normal. Thanks, Owen.
Yay, Isa! Let's go.
This couch here, and then our matching chair, rug, the cow rug on top of it, and then this just up and down on this wall, please. So then, like on this wall, we could do like start with a collage, black frames with the gold frames, and just kind of mix that all together as we go.
Yes.
Here we go.
Okay.
Oh, look at the logo.
Yeah, so new lettering,
Ooh, all of a sudden. Okay.
new branding
I'm like shaking. I'm so excited.
for the new space.
Okay,
Here
okay.
we go.
Okay, I'll let you go first.
Gosh.
You ready?
I'm ready to see this staging.
Come on in.
My goodness. Wow. Wow. And I love the couches. Oh my gosh.
A cow rug.
Yes.
Can you imagine bridesmaids hanging out here across the couch?
Yes.
Pictures. We are creating that destination.
Yes.
It absolutely is a place that looks so different, but it adds so much of the elements,
Yeah.
like the modern, the vintage, all of it.
Okay, here we go into the bar.
Oh
That color of the bar.
So the green looks fantastic.
Did Owen make that?
Yes.
What a freaking beast.
Love that.
So you can customize your own marquee to say whatever you want on it in the bar.
That is gonna be such a great added detail.
And then we've got all of our bottles and the bottle openers.
Before, it was a great functional space, but it just wasn't really defined. It looks so good. I am so excited.
Now I want to see the ballroom.
Yes.
Now welcome back to the Feather Ballroom, presented by Lamb & Co.
Look at that ceiling. Wow.
So we did little collages of artwork.
Oh my gosh, I'm just like stunned at how incredible this space is.
Little seating areas.
Oh my goodness.
Lyndsay, it's so pretty. Those 3 chandeliers lined up are like magical. The other thing that makes such a huge difference is all the natural light because we took off that heavy drapery. This is the first time I've been in this space where I feel like I would want to
Host a party that we're proud of.
Yes. Whereas before with the yellow and with that giant feather, like there were so many obstacles.
Amazing. You did such a good job.
I love it.
Yay.
Let's check out the ladies' room.
Look at this floor.
Right?
Oh my goodness. It looks so much bigger in here.
Check out these vanities.
Check out that wall.
Oh my gosh.
I want that wall in my house.
That is stunning. The green is really cool. And I love the gold.
So it's still like, you know, simple enough, but it's like some style now.
Yes.
You're like, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I want to have my wedding here. All right, into our bridal suites.
Oh my gosh. I want to get married again. Oh, I love this.
Isn't that fun?
That's really fun.
I love the green velvet in here. It is gorgeous. And then with those velvet curtains.
Yes. And that is actually my wedding dress.
I was gonna say that. Oh my gosh.
Because I just thought it would be cute to have like a little dress hanging for when, you know, people come through and see it.
And pictures. And,
Yeah.
oh my gosh, it's perfect.
I was like dying that I thought it was gonna be so specific, but it is like subtle enough that I feel
Yeah.
like quinceañeras or weddings or fundraisers, like you can make this work for whatever you want.
Yeah.
It is the grand opening of the Feather Ballroom.
These are gonna be people that are key players in the community to see what we've done and hopefully spread the word on how amazing it looks. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
I think it looks amazing. I love the black ceiling.
It looks great. You guys did a really
You've
good
been
job.
here before, right?
I have.
It no longer looks like the inside of an Italian restaurant.
Love, love, love.
Right?
It looks so good.
I know. Thank you guys so much for coming out and for this community supporting us. We love each and every one of you and are so thankful that you were here to open the doors with us.